Hello everyone, my name is Rakesh Datta. I am yoga teacher. So today with me I have Miss Jenny. She is from Russia, one of the fitness expert. So today we will be discussing about the intermediate fasting. So yeah, Miss Jenny, just give some introduction about
Yeah, so hi. So I'm Jenny and I'm here today to discuss few points about intermediate fasting. And first I want to just say a little bit about myself. It's not like I always was fit and it was easy for me to have my fitness. So last year I came across intermediate fasting and I thought of trying it and it worked wonderful. So I'm here to share with you how you can start and what is it exactly. So as you must be knowing, fasting is already fasting. So how do you fast? There's hours which you fast and
Yes.
hours which you eat.
exactly.
And of course, many of you will say it's not easy, it's difficult, it's not just very everyone can do. But I want to change your mind. It's something very easy and literally everyone can do it.
Yes.
And my suggestion will be don't even go for something like 24 hours or more. You can start with something really easy like
Small
12
time.
hours. Yes. Like you finish your dinner at 8 o'clock. Imagine that by 8 in the morning you already
Yeah.
can eat, and this is 12 hours of your fasting. So
Yes.
this is something very simple. You can begin with that and then slowly increase and see how it feels. You'll find your comfort in your hours and comfort in your food patterns. You'll find comfort in everything.
So you can start it, yes, anytime. There is not any particular time you can start.
No any
but yes,
particular time
as you
in
have
that.
as you have suggested us, if we start in the evening, like after dinner, it will be quite easy because long time you already go for sleep, so you don't eat anything. So now, what are the things how we can go for it? Like
So
what are the
if
things?
you're a beginner and let's say you want to start tomorrow for even your 12 hours or 14 hours, it's suggestible to avoid on your sweets and your carbs.
Yes.
So think of something maybe, of course salads and everything is good, but personally I am a non-vegetarian person, so I eat maybe some eggs or chicken or something like this. And avoiding on sweets and carbs really helps because
Yes.
once you eat, basically what makes you hungry and crave is sugar and carbs.
Exactly, yeah.
So if you avoid on those, that's really going to
And in between any kind of drinks, would you like to suggest like any black coffee or like that something?
yeah. So when you're fasting, you should be sticking, of course, to water.
Okay.
You can have black coffee if
Fine.
you're comfortable with that.
Yes.
You can have green tea. You
Yes.
should be avoiding adding anything to that, meaning even your stevia will spoil your fast, or even lime will spoil
So
your
no
fast.
any kind of sugar or nothing like
Nothing.
that. Yeah.
But just in case it happens that you may get little dizzish because if it new in this, so what you should be doing is adding little salt to the water, so it will add minerals into your body system,
Exactly,
and
yeah.
it will help you really sustain yourself very nicely. So
Fine.
that's very good idea to have salty water.
One more thing I would like to ask, as I was discussing with other people, when we do such kind of things, suppose many people will just start at the beginning, like they are the beginner in this field. So how you can, sometimes we feel that okay, no, I can't do that. I have to stop it. So how you can keep yourself motivating or keep doing it? How you can boost yourself?
First of all, once you start doing it, you will realize it's a mind game. So everything comes
Exactly.
from your mind. So
Yeah.
you should find and trick your mind. So
Ah.
I trick my mind. I like to go out and I like to
You
look
have to
nice.
push yourself.
So I give myself that thought that I will look so much better tomorrow. Or I
Exactly.
trick my mind
Yes.
saying, okay, you fast today and tomorrow all the butter chicken is yours, or
Yes.
all your favorite dish is yours, and
Exactly.
you can have as much as you can.
Yes.
So that way my mind gets tricked and it helps me to pass by.
That you have to
So you
streak.
have to find your own way of what you're going to
Exactly.
give yourself to finish in the goal. You promise yourself, I'll do this for you.
Exactly.
Take your body as third person, and you will
Yes.
find it's way easy to convince yourself to do something.
Exactly. That's one of the good point. As you have to push yourself and you have to find the difference within yourself only. So competition is within yourself only.
yeah.
Now, can you just quickly tell me what are the benefits? Like easily you can feel the benefits, changes you can have in your body.
So you will definitely feel very light, very, very light, and in fact you'll feel very energized. People thinking once they fast, they feel weak and they can't do anything much,
Yeah.
but in reality it's all the way around.
This
You
is
get
myth.
really very, very energized.
It's a myth that you
Yeah,
will
it's a
not
myth.
have energy, you
It's a-
can't do
it's a
anything.
myth.
Exactly.
And you feel very energized. You feel like doing more, not only for your physical activities, not for your physical, but even any other things at home which you want to do. You feel easier to go and play with your kids outside. You feel easier even to make something, cook something, clean something. maybe your art, like you want to draw something, you feel more active.
Yeah.
So apart from that, you benefiting for your health and for your fitness, your mind gets very cleared and you want to achieve
Yes,
more. So
yes.
it gives you amazing impact lifestyle apart from your
It's
fitness.
automatically it will
Yeah, it changes
bring
you
the motivation.
completely. It brings you completely in a different level, and you really feel like living, experience, doing, and so many other things. So this is something really beautiful which everyone should try.
Exactly. So thank you so much for this, and I would like to say, ask you how we can break this. Like when I think that okay, I just want to break it. So what are the things we need
Yeah,
to
the
eat?
best suggestion, of course, is to have stock, which is made maybe chicken stock or the meat stock. But just
Any-
in case,
any
let's
protein or
consider,
something
yeah,
like
let's
that.
consider that you are non-vegetarian and you're in India. You always can go something like khichdi, but avoid using rice. Maybe you can make just yellow dal, which is very slim and very soupish type. You can have that. Maybe putting a little bit of butter or ghee in that. That will be a
Yes.
good idea.
Yeah.
And that's will
And
be a good way of
completely,
breaking your fast.
I'm sure that completely you have to avoid all kind of sweets.
Yeah,
in
and it's
India.
better at least when you're coming out of the fast, avoid on sweets and carbs. At least for maybe couple of hours, don't eat any of this. But if you really crave, after that you can have something of carbs or sweets,
Yeah.
or something like that.
So thank you so much. Very nicely you
Yeah,
have
thank
explained
you.
it to all of us, and I hope this will be more easier to follow if you can both do follow the steps. And yes, this is not like you did not do it and you can't do. You can do it anytime. You can start doing it. You can have tremendous benefit with your body, and you can also feel what I did it on last time. I was trying to follow that. Immediately when you follow the steps, when you keep doing fasting, you can have a good your metabolism will get more faster. Then
Yeah.
whatever you like, little bit things you eat, easily you can digest and you can feel very very light in your body. One of the good thing to reduce the body weight and controlling the weight and all. So let's discuss more. We'll discuss it more on this topic later on. And thank you so much for
thank
this
you.
your nice guidance, and thank you so much. See you again. Bye bye.
Bye.